These are all the things I'm going to use to prepare this vegetable stew. Okay, I'm using enough vegetable, which is ugu, plenty tomatoes to prepare this. This is a very good delicacy that you can add to your menu. So first of all, you have to use your vegetable oil, anyone that you like. There's no specific one for it. Put it in your pot and allow it to heat up for some minutes. Okay, when it's done heating up for some minutes, you're going to add your ginger and garlic that you have pounded. I prefer it fresh, though I was not having enough of it. If I had enough, I would have put more than you're seeing here. Okay, but I will still augment it with dried one. So allow this to heat up for also some minutes, okay, so that the aroma will come out. Then add your onion, stir fry on a low heat just for like 2 to 3 minutes. Allow it to fry before you can add any other thing to your pot. Okay, this frying makes your onion flavor, your ginger garlic flavor to come out. Then you can now go in with your tomato pepper mix. Okay, what I have here is tomatoes, I have my fresh pepper, I have my shombo. Why I added shombo? To help it to look reddish. Okay, you know that shombo can make your food very, very reddish, unlike tomatoes. That's why I added shombo. So I added plenty pepper, as you're seeing here, fresh pepper. I added plenty because I like this type of food to be spicy. Okay, it doesn't require much ingredients, so I like it to be very spicy. So now allow this to heat for some time. Now I'm adding down my dried ginger. I told you guys before, I'm adding my dried ginger. Had even I had fresh one enough, I won't bother myself adding this, but since I'm not having enough, that's why I'm putting the dried one. So you allow it to fry for some minutes. Okay, almost like 5 minutes, so that the tomatoes will get done. Then you can now go in with your pounded crayfish. This is crayfish. Please put enough of crayfish. This meal I do not use meat, I only use dried fish. So the reason why I'm adding enough crayfish, okay, to help with the taste. So put enough of your crayfish, then stir it, allow it to fry for some time also. Then also you can now at this point put your seasoning. Put your seasoning, the one you like. There's no specific seasoning for this, just the one, your normal seasoning used for your cooking. Add it to this, stir fry, allow it to cook. After this, you can now add your well prepared dry fish. Please make sure you use hot water and salt to wash your dry fish, but most of all these dry fish, they normally carry sand. I don't know whether people that prepare it, they normally roll it on the floor, I don't know, but most of the times the backside will chew plenty sand. Okay, so now is the time for me to add my well washed dry fish. You stir it, allow it to cook for some time, please. This fish I seen, I soaked it and I forgot, so it's already soft already. It's soft already, so I don't need, it doesn't need to cook for too long because it has gotten soft. So you also cook it for some minutes. Also, all this you don't need to leave them for too long because they are vegetable and already cooked. Some like dry fish already cooked already, it's already done already, just for the taste to come. And then I now introduce my vegetable. This is the main thing for this dish, your vegetable. This vegetable I've seen about like 1,200 naira vegetable, but as I was here, I noticed that thing was way too much, so I didn't put all. My intention was to put all, but I noticed that it was too much. It's okay, let me be calming down. So I didn't add all the vegetable. I'm going to preserve the vegetable, the remaining one, for another menu, another maybe vegetable soup. So now guys, at this point, you know that your food is done. At this point, just turn it, test it, adjust it. If it needs pepper, add pepper. If it needs salt, add salt. If it still needs seasoning, add seasoning. If you feel like adding more crayfish, just do it at this point. Vegetable don't cook vegetable like that. So the vegetable highest 3-4 minutes, you bring it down. The heat in the pot will finish the remaining stuff, okay? Because if you cook it for too long and when you still bring it down, the heat in the pot will keep cooking it, and the color will change. Okay, so now it's done. This dish, you can use it for rice or rice and beans. Please don't use this for swallow. I've never used it for swallow. I'm not making it for swallow, but I'm making it for rice, white rice, or my rice and beans, as in white one, plain one. That is what you use this in for. Please, if you eat this stew for like 1 week, just watch your skin and tell me what you noticed. Just watch your skin and tell me what you noticed. So thank you guys for watching this menu, watching me cook this. Please help me to subscribe to my channel, drop your comment, share this to help others. Many people are looking for what to cook. They are kind of lost. What am I going to cook? They don't know what to cook again to change menu. Please send this to them. It's good for your children, it's good for your husband, it's good for you yourself. Okay, it's high time we stopped eating rice, plain rice. Please add more vegetable. This is a way you can incorporate vegetable to your menu, and you will thank me later.